Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your chat color to normal chat color on Instagram. So guys, you know that we used chat color in Instagram, that is blue, green, red color. So guys, you can see here, this is the one. You can see here color chat, color bubble chat on my screen. So to get back normal, to get back in normal, what you have to do, I will show you in this video. So guys, to remove this, to get back in the normal color, like white color, then what you have to do, I will show you in this video. So guys, what you have to do, just you need to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon, so that I will be motivated, and I will bring up more informative videos every day. So now, without wasting time, let's get started. So guys, what you have to do here, it's very pretty simple. You just need to download the or update the Instagram from my description box. You will get the Instagram link on my the description box. So you have to download or update the Instagram from my description box. So now after updating your Instagram, what you need to do here is very pretty simple. You just need to go to this, you can see here your profile icon on the bottom of your screen, and then after going to this bottom of your screen, what you need to do after updating or after downloading the Instagram from my description box, you can see here you will find a gear option on the top right of your screen. So after clicking here, what you have to do, you have to scroll down, and then it's very pretty simple. You just need to click on this option. You can see here conversation screen option. So guys, what you have to do here is very pretty simple. So after clicking to this option, you have to click on this chat option. Okay guys, so click on chat option, and then you can see here the colors has been set here. So now if you want to get back to normal, it's very pretty simple. You just need to do one thing, that is you have to disable these two. So after disabling these two, what you need to do, just go back and let's check it out, the color of my chat. So guys, you can see here it's coming back to normal color. So in this way you can you can get back your normal chat color on Instagram. Guys, thanks for watching. See you soon on the next video, and also one thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.